This is it! Alright! Woohoo!
Bigla may gusto na lang siya sa akin, hindi ako aware.
Actually, wala talaga akong balang kumamin. May feeling na kasi siya, parang kinorner na ako. May gusto ko ba sa akin? Torpe talaga ako eh. Hindi ganun kalakas yung loob ko para kumain. Alright! Woo! Mga artistang to, hindi marunong.
Kailanman masama ito ang
Tapos, hindi ko din alam paano siya nag-story.
Bunga mo pa kayang ako'y yagan at yagapin.
Thank you! Alright! Well, you're welcome, kids!
Hey! O, tama na, plastic lang.
Ibigin mo
Yeah!
pagdating ng araw.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Puputiin na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nagkaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin.
Ayaw pumasok.
Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa'yo.
Sabi na!
Puti na ang buhok ko.
Sinasabi ko nga sa kanya minsan, pagka mga 30 years old, wala pa rin tayong asawa. Ayaw na lang ah. Ayaw umiyak.
Thank you. Wala ko alam sabihin.
Pinamana ni mama yung pagiging iyakin na naiyak tuloy.
Sabi ko, hindi ko yun.
Yung pagkain, hindi namin problema kasi nandito si Papa. Sobrang ano doon, sobrang thank you. Malaking ano ko.
Buhok ko, kahit maputi na ang
See you later, gang. Mo ko paboring akit kening prep.
buhok ko.
Ito, nag-break ako. Nai-imagine ko eh. Tuwing nai-imagine ko na pinapanood kitang naglalakad or magpa-flash out ako na naglalakad ka sa aisle papunta sa akin. Na excited ako. Lalo na ngayon, nararamdaman ko na siya. Medyo excited na ako. Kaya, love, babe, see you later. I love you.
Today, as we embark on this journey as husband and wife, I can't help but reflect on how our story began. Who would have thought that your casual backup plan, proposal, if we're both single at 30, let's just get married, would lead us here today?
I'm always thankful that you choose to be with me. You know, you are the balancer between the chaos and order to my chaotic world.
It seems fate had a better plan for us all along, and I'm grateful every day for it.
Commitment is not a matter of feeling. Hindi lang ito pakiramdam. Rather, it is a matter of choice.
I have clear vision with what I have wanted to do with my life, which is to be with you for the rest of my life.
May mga pagsubok, ganyan. Kapit lang. O, ano lang, walang susuko.
Pag may problema, kapit lang. Marami yan.
Do you give yourself to her as your husband?
I do.
And do you accept her as your lawful wife?
I do.
As we stand here, ready to embrace our future together with laughter, love, and adventure, I vow to always be with you to support you through life's twists and turns, and to treasure our love above else.
Here with you, love, I can say
Thank you, king pamag-guide kaya kami. King manibatan niyang may tao kami. Hanggang yaning bayo kami kasal. Hanggang yaning kasal na kami.
Kung ano man ang maging problema niyo, ipag-usapan niyo lang.
Sa sakramento ng kasal, hindi feelings ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. It is a steady will of the soul. Pirmihan ito.
With you, I've found my forever, and today, I pledge my heart and my life to you as your wife, promising to walk beside you with love and devotion for the rest of our lives.
things that we were, and whatever makes you feel right. Oh,
Ang pagtatalaga ng buhay o commitment is a decision. It is not an emotion.
I'll always do my best to be the best husband that you deserve.